iPod Girl here. If you're like me, you probably wish you could meet Steve Jobs one day. Well, what's the next best thing? My Steve Jobs plush from Podbricks. I can practice asking him questions I might ask Steve Jobs one day so that I'm not so nervous when it actually happens. These limited edition dolls are all you need to impress your tech friends. Since the Steve Jobs plush is handmade by Podbricks, you probably won't see very many of these around. What else could you possibly do with the Steve Jobs doll? Well, lots of things. I get a comforting Mac geek persona to talk about Apple News, bounce iPhone app ideas off of, or just take for a night out on the town, instantly becoming the life of any party. I try to keep him clean so I don't let anyone play with him. In fact, I don't treat my Steve Jobs like a doll at all because I love him so much. This is one of those hard to find geeky toys that any Mac geek will want. But this one is all mine. For iPod Girl, I'm Catherine Hernandez.